This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have this big ridge over the southwest, the central and southern plains. We have a disturbance moving through the U.S.-Canadian border near around Thunder Bay, Ontario. This is going to drag a cold front into the state, and it's going to try to produce some showers and thunderstorms. It looks like the better chances will be to our north and east, but we can't rule out an isolated storm in our eastern and central counties. Highs will still be very warm, highs in the 80s to lower and middle 90s, heat indices at or over 100. But that won't be the case tomorrow. You can see the frontal system from the Great Lakes down into the middle Mississippi River Valley. High pressure will be coming in from the north. Temperatures back into the upper 70s to lower and middle 80s. It'll feel a lot better. Thursday, about the same, but we have some showers and thunderstorms coming in with the next system. This will be bringing some rain maybe by the afternoon hours in our western counties. And this will move east through the night, Thursday night into the day on Friday. Friday could see some showers and storms. It doesn't look to be like an all-day rain, but temperatures could get lowered if we see more clouds around. Otherwise, 70s to lower 80s if we see some sunshine. Saturday, some early day showers in our eastern counties, then slowly clearing. Highs will still remain in the upper 70s to middle 80s across the state, with some sunshine around by the afternoon statewide. Then Sunday, a system drops in from the north and west. You can see this low pressure center east of La Crosse, Wisconsin. This could bring some afternoon showers, maybe a thunderstorm. With the cold air aloft, highs will be in the upper 70s to middle 80s. And then Monday, that swings off to the south and east. Winds out of the north. Temperatures will be in the 70s to maybe near 80 for highs on Monday. And this looks to last maybe into the rest of the work week as well, because you can see by next Tuesday, big trough over the east, ridge over the south and west, north to northwesterly flow aloft around here. It's going to keep the temperatures down. Here on Tuesday, readings could only be in the 70s. GFS wanting to paint a little bit of precipitation. This would likely be some afternoon clouds that could bring a shower, but don't count on it for at least 80% of the area. Going into the extended period, this is August the 2nd. We have a trough over the northwest, a ridge, not a strong one, trying to build over the plains and into the south and west. This would keep us in a sort of a north-northeasterly flow with an upper-level feature to our south. Could bring some showers and storms in the south and east. Around here, it looks to be fairly quiet and fairly seasonal, if this is to be correct. And then as we go to the end of the forecast on August the 6th, well, guess what? The 594 ridge is back again over the Four Corners region and is trying to build back in. Storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border once again. That means most of the precipitation will stay to our north and to our east. Readings will start to warm back up by this point, maybe back into the 80s and maybe even low 90s if this is right. But we still have more than 2 weeks to look at this, and things could still change. Satellite image from last evening, we had some thunderstorms moving across northern and central Minnesota. Also a couple of thunderstorms across Kansas into Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle. Some clouds in the southeast and across the west, but fairly quiet. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some severe thunderstorm watches and warnings across Minnesota. Heat advisory continues from Iowa southwestward, excessive heat watch in the southwest, some red flag warnings in the west, and fairly quiet across the east. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here could be in this 5-day period between about a half to 1 inch. Some areas may get less, some may get more, while the heaviest will be to our north with that complex moving through Minnesota.